Hello everyone, my name is John. Today, I will tell you how to set up integration to transfer new leads from TikTok to KeyCRM. This is necessary to automatically transfer new leads from TikTok to other systems. For example, in KeyCRM you can create new customers and conveniently work with them in the future. Now let's move on to setting up. First, you need to create a new connection. Next, select the data source system, TikTok. Now, select the system where you want to transfer new leads from TikTok. In this case, select KeyCRM, Create Customer. At this stage you need to connect your TikTok account to the Save My Leads service. In this window you must specify the login and password of your TikTok personal account. At this stage you need to give Save My Leads access to work with your TikTok account. All access checkboxes must be enabled. When the connected account appears in the list, select it. Next, you need to select an advertising page and form. After that, click Continue. At this stage, you need to connect your KeyCRM account to the Save My Leads service. In this window, you need to specify the API key. To get it, go to your KeyCRM personal account. Next, go to the Settings. General. Copy the API key and paste it into the appropriate field in the Save My Leads system. When the required field is filled in, click Continue. When the connected account appears in the list, select it. Next, you see the KeyCRM fields for creating new customers. You can assign variables from TikTok to these fields. To do this, click in the field and select a variable from the drop-down list. When all the necessary fields are filled in, click Continue. At this stage, you see an example of the data that will be sent to KeyCRM in the form of new customers, with each new lead from TikTok. If you are not satisfied with something, click back and you will go back one step. In order to check the correctness of the settings, click Send Test Data to KeyCRM. After successful sending, go to KeyCRM and check the result. If you are satisfied with everything, return to the Save My Leads system and continue setting up. In order for new leads from TikTok to be instantly transferred to KeyCRM as new customers, you need to enable auto update. For this, click Finish Setup. If you want to change the connection name, you can do this in its settings. That's all. I wish you successful integration settings and good luck.